Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Well, it's like Christmas over here. It's been a very exciting day. So we have 5 of the 6 boxes of our Mustang 2 all unboxed and laid out pretty much in the place that they're going to go. And I just wanted to show you guys this. I am beyond happy with this kit, like really. And that's not just because this is the one I bought. It's really good. Things I didn't know I was getting. Monroe shocks. I didn't know what brand of shocks I was getting. I got Monroe's. All of the bearings and everything seem really nice. The power steering rack looks amazing. The coil springs look great. The drop spindles, the brakes. Look at the brakes. We got 11-inch rotors, cross-drilled and slotted and zinc coated with 2-piston Wilwood red calipers, with the forged, not cast but forged caliper brackets. We got the forged 2-inch drop spindles. You got, I mean, it's incredible, honestly. And look how thick that crossmember is. It's hefty. Boxing plates are hefty. All these things are really looking good. So I'm really happy. We have the rack extensions here. We got the bolts for the rack, the bolts for the control arms, bearings, all the things, tie rods, so on and so forth. What we're missing is the upper and lower control arms. Those are what are coming tomorrow. But we have everything we need right now to start putting this in. So what's going to happen here is Big Ron is going to start getting his measurements. We're going off the Hyatt kit because it's the same thing. And he's going to get his measurements and we'll start trimming things up and getting ready for tomorrow, really. Tomorrow we'll start trimming and getting this cross member in, hopefully tomorrow. Like in. So still got some things we got to do. We do need to run to the welding shop and get some oxyacetylene, oxygen and whatever for the torch, and we need to heat this up and bend it down and then trim it. That's one of the things, the low-hanging fruit. But that cross member right there is going to go right about here. That'll be the center of that cross member. So should be pretty exciting. It's going to look really good. I am going to paint the shocks aluminum as opposed to yellow. I will scuff them up and paint them. But the rest of this is looking pretty good. I'm really happy with it. Like I didn't really know what to expect. I remember my dad's and I look at it all the time and it's beefy. But this is beefy. Like I don't have any concerns with this. This was great. So now what I get to do is work on the Mini Cooper. I get to clay bar the Mini Cooper and wax it, so that's exciting. Big Ron did take the buffer over the hood and got that sticker crap that was all over this where it had the like racing stripes. It does have, you still see it kind of here. Actually you can see it there. Or when they had the actual like stripes on this thing, it dug in a little bit and actually scratched it. And this is, you know, clear coat's peeling here and stuff, but it doesn't look like it's got a bunch of tape all over it. So I need to wash this one more time, or at least hose it off, and then get all the compound off, and then clay bar and wax the whole car. That's what I'll be doing here in a minute, while Big Ron is going and starting to get all of the numbers and figuring and all the things he needs to do over here. So that's what we're going to be doing. We did wash the Volkswagen thing today. It's looking all pretty. Got all the junk off of it. Starting to get it ready for bug jam. And we put fuel in the 40, but it hasn't quite made it to the the carburetor, so it won't start and the battery's dying. So there's that. But 1958 Chevy Apache has gone 1,000,000 miles today so far. All we need to do now is start figuring out how to assemble all this, which isn't a big deal. Only done it 100 times. And get all this onto here and get that cross member cut out. That's the game. And at the end of the month, well, actually like a week and a half, they're going to ship us our rear suspension. and we'll get that installed. So really, really exciting. We're gonna have a roller real fast. You guys are gonna see nothing but progress on this every day from this point forward. So stay tuned for all of that. I just wanted to show you guys this kit. You know, I took a gamble buying a kit off of eBay. I did, but this exact kit is what's on that car, and it rides great, handles great, does all the things you'd ever want it to do, have zero issues with it. So why not? And I bought it from the same company, Gearhead Enterprises, off of eBay, and this kit was $2,148. And what you get are the 2-piston Wilwood brake calipers. You get the 11-inch cross-drilled and slotted zinc rotors. You get the forged caliper mounts. You get the forged 2-inch drop spindles, coil springs, Monroe shocks, tie rod ends, all the things that go with that, all the bolts and nuts and everything. Power steering rack, really nice power steering rack. Everything, boxing plates, cross member, top hats, upper and lower tubular control arms. That's what you get, hub to hub. Everything you need, and it's really, really good. So I think we're going to be in a really good place on this truck. Really happy with that. So if you guys are looking for a budget alternative to spending, you know, $3,800, $3,900 or more on a front suspension for your car, look at this. This might be a really good option for you. So, because you get pretty much all the same things. So, and that cross member there, look how thick that thing is. It's a hoss, an absolute hoss. And the boxing plates are thick as hell too. So what that tells us is we can burn some weld into that and we're gonna be just fine. It's gonna be a Tiger tank. So really, really, really happy. So stay tuned, guys. Lots more gonna be coming, but for right now, I gotta wax a Mini Cooper, clay bar and wax a Mini, get that out of my life so that we can get onto this tomorrow and knock this out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this, please like and subscribe. We're trying to build the channel. Like I said, if this doesn't tell you the progress is coming, I don't know what will, because all of this goes on here in the next couple days, starting tomorrow. Actually, starting right now. Ron's going to start measuring. So that truck will be on here sooner than later, and it'll have all of these things on there with it, and it's going to look really, really good. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of you, and we will see you guys in the morning.